Hey everybody, T.O. from Artgeek Teaching. Today we are going to look at making one soy candle just so I can do a test and make sure this, I have 3 or 4 of these crock pots that are filled with this wax. I'm pretty sure it's candle wax, but I just want to make sure for a candle class that I have coming up. And so we're just going to do one, and rather than use the wick holder, which are in all fairness kind of a pain in the tail, I'm just going to take my glue gun and a little dollop of glue, hot glue. I'm going to put it on the bottom, and we'll just set it in the middle here. Maybe find my pencil. We'll just set it in the middle till it cures. That will work just fine. Okay, I'm going to give that just a minute to set up, and then we'll pour some wax. Okay, I've let that set up. I'm not going to use any fragrance today. My wax is really still too hot. It's 175 degrees. That's really hot. I don't want to wait to do this test until that wax gets down to where I could use a fragrance. Usually it depends on the wax. Every wax is a little bit different, but typically you would want 150 degrees or so, depending on the fragrance also, but this is soy wax and I know 150 degrees for most of the fragrance that I have would be a good temperature. If it's too hot, the fragrance will not bond with it, and the fragrance won't bond with the wax. If it's too cold, it won't bond either. So you've really 150 degrees is good, but I'm just gonna go ahead and skip that. So again, this is not ideal, but it's what I'm gonna use. Normally you would use something to pour them. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour these in quickly. Just a little bit more. Okay. We'll go ahead and put this so it centers our wick. And then when that cures out, cools down, we can come back and trim our wick. Okay, this guy's set up a little bit. It's not perfectly dry or cured yet, cooled, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it apart. I'm just gonna pull my wick out, trim them off. And there you have it. You know, you could leave those longer. I typically don't. I don't like to leave them and let them burn through there. I just as soon pull the lid off and then start it. But there you go, one little candle. We'll find out. Tomorrow I could pull this off real easily. It'll snap right off there, and we'll see if it's gonna burn.